high street shops, bars and pubs, they all look similar to me in the UK. But what I am looking is ancient stuff, landscape and the nature. So let's go and find out that in Kent.
And I hear when my heart is low, sending shivers.
I mean, I'm not expert in history and things, but this building behind me looks quite old. Well, I wish I had a little bit more time to walk further a little bit more and then figure it out, but it looks like I can't go in details. Look into this building. Amazing.
Teaser in my eye, then I put it in now. Then I hope to realize.
And this is the church, which is really famous for Canterbury. So this is the biggest English church in England. I think England, UK. Not sure, but this is the biggest one. It's big, massive. Unfortunately, the construction work is going on probably. Sorry guys, you won't be able to see inside. I mean, do you see this behind me? Oh, it's a huge one, right? Come on, this is massive. Canterbury is full of ancient buildings. I mean, church especially. I don't know the name of this church, but looks nice. Do you see there? That's a St. Augustine Abbey. I think it was supposed to be church, and this was built around 7th century, 1613. AD, around that time. So it was pretty old. That's why you see there's nothing. It's a ruin only. I would like to go inside, but it costs £7, and to see that just the room, I don't think it's worth it. I'm gonna buy, instead of that £7, I'm gonna buy Southeast Explore tickets for today, and I'm gonna see other Somebody's asking for money. Okay, all I'm trying to do is trying to travel like a local people. I think that would be the good experience. So £7 all day, not bad. So let's head into the sandwich right now. I have to say, this small English town, Sandwich, doesn't get as much tourists as I expected. Well, I was expecting more. Alright, for now, let's eat kebab. That's the things only I could get it. I'm in Sandwich, but I'm eating kebab. Okay, I'm trying to go to Sandwich Bay, which is from the station to Sandwich Bay around 1.5 hour walk. That's what the local people told me. So I have to walk a little bit faster, and there is no mean of public transport to go on the beach. So the only option that I have is by walk. Since lots of people are not going on to that bay, I am guessing it's gonna be pretty good. This area looks posh to me. Lots of mansions, big houses. Probably rich people. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Sandwich Bay. I'm so glad that I came to Kent. Trust me, it's so fulfilling. The most peaceful beach I ever found in England. Look at this. There's no one here. No one here. How cool is that? Guys, don't you find a little bit odd why there's a fog behind me even if it's a sunny day? I mean, why do you think it's like this? I have no idea about it. If you know, leave me comments below. And you see other side? That's the other part of England. Probably you won't be able to see in the camera, but I can see it directly. It's just there. And that's because of this fog around the sea. I can't see, and you are not able to see anything around here. Why there is a fog